Hello lovely, hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the way you can cook your pasta. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this mini pasta. I'm going to be cooking it today, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way I cook mine. You can see the ingredients I have. I have the red paprika, the yellow paprika, and the green paprika. That is my onions. My Maggi is here. No Maggi. I have my other ingredients are there. Salt. I'm going to be using this fish and the goat meat. Okay, guys. These are the ingredients. This is my tomatoes. I'm going to be using this because it's half pieces. Okay, I like it to be like this in small pieces. Okay, guys. So guys, let's start cooking. Join me to cook. Okay, guys, so let's start cooking. I'm going to add a little water to my goat meat. Okay, guys. Then I'm going to add my ingredients. Put some. Okay, guys. These are my ingredients. Okay. So now we are going to add the salt and the Maggi to taste. That is my Maggi. So we wait, guys, we wait. While we are waiting for the meat to cook, I'm just going to be frying my fish. This is my groundnut oil to fry my fish. Okay, guys, let's wait for like 5 minutes for the oil to. Okay, guys, we are going to fry the fish now. Okay. So we wait, guys. The goat meat is not ready. We are still going to wait, guys. Just wait. Okay, guys, I think it's ready. Wow. The aroma in my kitchen is wow. I love goat meat. You can see goat meat is ready. So the next thing to do is to fry it now. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So it's time to put the pasta on the fire. So I've opened it already. Guys, there is different type of this pasta. There's different type. I choose this one because it's smaller. Okay, I'm going to be cooking different type of it, but today we are going to cook this one. Just going to pour it in my pot. Okay, guys. Then I'm going to add my water into it. So this is it. So we are just going to wait for it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'm also going to add salt into it. This is my salt. 1 tablespoon of salt I added into the pasta. So guys, we are going to wait for it to cook. The fish is ready guys. I'm just going to take it off now. Okay, this is the way I fry my fish. So guys, this is my pasta. We're just going to wait for like, I think 2 to 3 minutes so it can cook very well. Okay, so let's wait guys. Okay guys, it's ready. You can see. So now we're just going to take it off from here. This is my tin tomatoes. Okay guys. So we're going to add our tomatoes now. So we're going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes guys. You can see the color of the tomatoes is very red. Oh my god, this is yummy, delicious. So I'm going to add my ingredients. This is my Maggi, this curry. Then I'm going to add my salt to taste. That is it. And then you stay together. And then you wait for like 5 minutes for it to cook more. Okay guys. Ooh. So we are just going to put our pasta inside guys. So guys, I just added it into it. You can see the color. Oh guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button. So anytime I upload, you will be the first to be notified. You can see it. It's very yummy. Always like my video, share my video guys. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do is just to put our paprika. Okay. This is the time I like to put my paprika because I don't want it to get melted. Okay, so I will just add it now. Okay guys, after I add my paprika, you can see it. This is it. I've added my paprika. Okay guys, so I will just wait for like 5 to 10 minutes for it to cook with the pasta. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, it's ready. Ooh, just see my pasta. Is this not yummy? Wow guys, how did you see my food for today? Guys, this is super delicious. You can come and join us to eat. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye for now. Bye guys.